Did you know that for over a century, the world has been addicted to fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas? These carbon heavy sources have powered our homes, cars, and industries, but they have come at a steep price, which is carbon emissions. The invisible gases released into the atmosphere are the primary cause of climate change, trapping the heat and pushing the temperatures higher every year. And the consequence of it is global warming. Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel Centrishala. My name is Anjali, and today we'll be discussing about the Transition VC Fund, which is a prominent venture capital fund. But before that, let's understand more about the effects of climate change, global warming, and why energy efficiency initiatives are important. Did you know that if no action is taken, climate change could wipe up to 23 trillion from the global economy by 2050, reducing the global GDP as much as by 18%. Not only this, the rising temperatures could reduce global GDP by 10% by the year 2100, which is more than the combined losses of the Great Recession and the COVID-19 pandemic. Also, the climate change is projected to cause a 25% drop in global crop yields by 2050, which would lead to food shortages, increased prices, and severe economic disruptions, especially in the agriculture-dependent nations. As well as, it is estimated that by 2050, 200 million people could be displaced due to rising sea levels and extreme weather, which would create a massive strain on economies worldwide. Recognizing the severity of this crisis, world leaders have been coming together at platforms like the G8 meetings. The most powerful economies are discussing real solutions like targets for reducing carbon emissions, shared investment in research, and international cooperation to drive innovation in new energy sources. Now let's understand why energy efficiency initiatives are important. First, cost saving and economic benefits. Second, reducing the carbon emissions and fighting climate change. Third, enhancing the energy security. New energy sources like solar, wind, and geothermal offer clean and renewable power with zero carbon emissions. So in the race to accelerate the transition to clean energy, investment plays a critical role. Transition VC, a prominent venture capital fund, is at the forefront of financing innovative companies that are reshaping the global energy landscape. Now let's talk about their mission. So their mission is to accelerate the net zero journey by investing in breakthrough technology. They commit to enable 40 million tons of CO2 offset through their portfolio by 2027, which is approximately 1% of the total carbon emissions of India. Transition VC focuses on early stage companies in sectors like renewable energy, electric mobility, and energy storage, providing the capital needed to scale these transformative technologies. Their key focus areas are clean tech and decarbonization and emerging technologies. The primary focus of this fund is on investing during the seed stage of a company's development to maximize value creation. They use a comprehensive 7-step process for investing. Initially, they explore the emerging sectors and technologies, followed by sourcing deals and performing initial screenings. Now let's talk about the market opportunity. So the overall opportunity in this sector is estimated to reach $250 billion by 2030, or approximately 20 to 25 lakh crores. Within this total, the subcomponents and OEM segments within the transportation sector are expected to account for the largest portion, contributing around $100 billion. Now let's talk about TVC portfolio. TVC portfolio includes EMO Energy, that deals with liquid immersion cooled battery packs that have advanced thermal management, fire safety, and increased life cycles. Second, Metal Motions, which have in-house designed, developed, and manufactured end-to-end powertrain solutions, including motor controllers, motors, and power transmission for electric vehicles and industrial applications. Third, Protonus, which deals with air-cooled and liquid-cooled PEM fuel cells for power backup and other applications at a significantly reduced cost. Now let's talk about their fund details. So the target fund size is 300 crore plus green shoe option of 100 crores. The holding period for companies is up to 5 to 8 years. They prefer 10 to 25% of target stake in companies. The number of companies in their portfolio is approximately 30. The preferred investment stage is the seed round. The minimum investment is 1 crore. First close is March 2023. Talking about the tenure is up to 8 years, extendable 1+1 from first close. The initial drawdown is 25%, balanced 75% to called in 3 equal tranches within 2 years by March 2026. Talking about the deployment and exit plan, so the deployment could be done in years 1, 2 and 3 and the exits can be done in years 6, 7 and 8. The expected gross XIRR is 30%. Now coming to the fee structure, fixed is 1.5%, performance fee is 20% with catch-up and hurdle rate is 12%. So this was all about the India's first venture capital fund focusing on energy transition. Well, thank you so much guys for watching the video and stay tuned with us.